To start, I'm putting on a thin layer of foundation base gel. Push to the cuticle. Make sure you get all the edge and the front. Okay, and I'm going to cure in my 18G lamp for 5 seconds. All other lights you need to cure for 30 seconds. After it has been cured, I'm going to use a brush to dry wipe it. Now I'm going to apply a very thin layer of pots of tea. This is one of my top 10 favorite colors. It doesn't have to cover the entire nail, just randomly. It doesn't have to be perfect. And cure for 30 seconds. After it cured, I'm going to use the two red colors. First, apply a thin layer of structure gel and do not cure it. I'm going to put the colored gels straight onto the wet structure gel. So still randomly, but leave the spaces where you can see the white. So the color gel will bloom in the structure gel. If you think you need a little bit more, you can just add it on. Okay, now let time work. It will spread on its own. If you think where you need to give it a little help, just go into it with a liner brush. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to have white on top of the design later. So it will be spreading. You can wait until you feel happy about how it spread. The longer you wait, the more it's going to spread. So I'm going to wait for just a little bit more. As you can see, the colors here is fading out. That's the effect I want. And I'm going to cure it in the light for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to add in some gold colors. This is all that glitter is gold, so just a little bit. Still here and there, not on the entire nail. Make sure you get some of the big chunky parts on it. Okay, still have some empty spaces in it, not on the entire nail. You're happy with it? You can cure it for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to apply another layer of structure gel and then do the bloom white. With the Arctic Freeze, you don't need a lot of amount. I wiped off both sides of my brush, and then you're going to decide where you want to put it, because once it's on, it's on. You have to remove the whole thing, the uncured gels, to change your design. So I'm going to put a bit here and a bit here and then connect them together. So I'm going to leave this part empty and this part empty. Here we go. Put it on. drag it on here and drag it. Okay, now I'm going to let it dry, bloom itself. If you think you are happy with it, just leave it. Otherwise, you can do the same with the colored gel, just to drag some colors around. If you think some part is too dark, too white, wipe off both sides of the structure gel. Just use the bottle brush from the bottle and then gently wipe it around. It will create this empty part. Clean your brush on a palette and then just go very gently around it a little bit more. So use the excess white gel to blend the lines, so it doesn't look like you have a cut on the design. Okay, I'm happy with it, and cure for 30 seconds to set the whole design. This is the finished design. You can see the blooming white and the dimensions of the colors marbling underneath. If you're happy with it, you can do a top coat. I'm going to apply one layer of the top it off. And let it self-leveling. So you can turn it around, let the gravity grab the gel more to a smooth surface. And when you turn it around, it's much smoother. And then cure for 30 seconds. After curing, clean off the tacky layer, and here comes your design. It's very simple and very quick for salon works and doesn't require any techniques. If you're happy with the place you place the gels, you don't even need a brush. Just use the brush from the bottle is enough. You can also add different color combinations. Like this is the blue, that's the pink I just did, and this is more like a dark red wine color. And then you can also have it on matte. I personally like the matte a bit more, but the glossy one is more like for summer kind of look. I'll pop the names of the colors in the description, and if you like my videos, please give it a like, share and subscribe. And also you can join my Facebook group of Nailevition support group. You can ask questions and have a look at my other videos and sneak peeks, and I'm going to answer questions in the group. Hope you enjoy today's video. See you at my next video.